Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be cooking lemon chicken with Indian spices. It has a unique flavor and taste. You can easily make this dish in under 30 minutes. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected. Let's get started. These are the ingredients we require to make this dish. First, let's marinate the chicken. Here I've got 1 kilo chicken thighs. To that add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon of mustard paste. If you don't have mustard paste, grind some mustard and add it. 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, half a cup of coriander leaves, juice of 2 lemons, one teaspoon of salt, make sure it's completely covered. Massage each piece of chicken well. Instead of chicken thighs, you can also use whole chicken. Let it marinate for about 20 to 30 minutes. Into a pan, add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil to fry the chicken. Add the chicken pieces. Let it fry for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. Flip the chicken pieces to the other side. Leave it for 4 more minutes to fry evenly. Chicken is done perfectly. Now add the marination sauce to the chicken. Give it a stir. If you need more gravy, just add half a cup of chicken stock to it. Once you try this, I'm sure it will be your favorite dish. Lemon chicken is beautifully done. Serve it hot. Before serving, sprinkle some lemon zest and coriander leaves. If you like this video, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. For more videos, click on the left to check out my previous video and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking!